Hi, hello, this is a quick video to show something, well, it's more like a proof of concept, I guess, on the community, so check the link below the video to the link. The question was basically how to get the help text that you can define in Developer Studio. How to get them into basically the problem is that if you want to have a message that will happen when you hover the field to describe it, you have to create an active link and to do a tooltip message. When you hover the field, for example this button, it will create a tooltip. So of course the problem is that you have to do one active link for each field, and well, so the question was was it possible to do something more generic? So the first problem is the help text here is not available in the mid-tier object, meaning that you cannot in the button object you cannot fetch the information. It seems it's not stored here. So you have two solutions: or you take the information and you do a copy paste in the script I will show you later, or you create a script in Java that will just basically take all the fields for a form and check if there is a help text, and if there is, so it will display it with a certain way. So I execute it. As you can see, it is displayed a certain way. It's a JavaScript array, so you just have to copy the information, and well, you have a JavaScript code that is ready to use, and you just have to here to you just have to paste the information and it will be ready to use basically. So once you have this, you can copy the code and put it into your form, into the appearance and web header content. Oh, I already did it, and then of course you need to flush your mid-tier cache or to have it at 0, so it refresh anyway each time you refresh the page. So anyway, here is what it is doing. So here is the version, the BMC version, with a nice typo on hello world. And here is my version. So this is my version. This as well. This as well. And this as well. So basically here you can see I've got I declared 4 messages, so it's the field ID and the message, so you can put the HTML code if you want. And it's basically the only thing you need to set up in this script. Everything else is, you don't need to play with it. Everything else is automatic. And when the form will load, it will launch everything. So the only thing you will need to is that you will need an active link for the form, and when the form is, that will be triggered when the form is loaded, it will launch, it will init the pop-ups. You need to do that because there are some issues with a jQuery version that is in a mid-tier, so you cannot rely on the method that jQuery you would use usually with jQuery. So anyway, so you just need well, to set up an array here with the messages, and you can use if you have already everything in help text, you can just use a simple script to export them to the right format right off the bat. You put everything here, and then you put the code inside of your web header content. Or here, for example, you are calling, you can call, you make an external JavaScript and you call it anyway. You can do whatever you want, and then it's ready to use basically. So it seems to work, but it's something like I cooked very quickly. So, well, it seems to work. So it's not using templates. As you can see, it's a basic, very basic message. If you want to change and apply some template or something, here, as you can see, you've got the code of the pop-up. So if you want, you can change it to make it more, I don't know, to use a template and to do some other things. But anyway, it's just an example of showing that you can do some basic message with just one function. And you just need to enter, to do one active link and just to give an array here. So anyway, that's all for now.